Hey there friends, it's Mark from Men Who Bullet. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We're going to be checking out a new item in my studio. This is called the CZUR Shine Ultra Pro. This is a document scanner. You can scan entire full-page spreads of books, and on top of that, you can use this as a visual presenter, so you get that top-down view. Microphone, speakers, camera, everything's in a very slimline profile, and I'm excited to go over this with you today. Before CZUR reached out to me, I was actually already thinking about ways that I could document all of my analog notebooks. It's not that I'm trying to replicate anything digitally. I'm just thinking like, what if something happens to this paper, right? Paper is a very, very sensitive thing. Water, fire, all these horrible things that would just ruin a notebook. And I was thinking, you know what? Eventually, oh God, am I gonna say this? I might wanna recycle those notebooks. Oh my gosh, no. But if I do, even if I don't, I think documenting it and having that would be a great idea. And I've also been thinking about ways of just like collecting different ideas of my bullet journal spreads too. Who knows, in the future, maybe somebody wants to offer me a book deal. But until then, I'm just trying to keep all of my items and archive them, you know, just in case. What I really loved about this is the nice slim profile. It actually reaches out to 90-degree angle. It extends if you need more height, and it has a built-in light as well. This has high-speed scanning going on, 24-megapixel camera built right inside of it, and autofocusing. This really makes it almost as easy as it possibly can for you for capturing your books and all of your notes. This also has OCR text recognition and a patented smart curve flattening technology. What that means is as you have your books open, if your pages have a curve on them, the technology in the software and the scanner will automatically flatten those out for you, so you always have a perfect shape of your scan. The interface and the scanner itself are super user-friendly, so whether you're teaching at home or remote, or even if you're taking this with you, it's really nice and easy to use. In the box, you get your scanner and your USB connection cords. Also inside of the box is a foot pedal that you can connect to your scanner. This helps you easily capture without having to click inside of your computer software as you're flipping through your pages. You also have finger cots that come in this as well, which makes flattening out your book a little bit easier. Instead of using your fingers and having to edit them out, they're pretty awesome. You also get a flat black mat that you can lay out for your scanner. It also has a nice little cutout on it as well, so your scanner fits right up against it. You know exactly where to put it so it's nice and centered. Once you have the software download on your computer, the connection is super easy. You're gonna go ahead and just plug your USB cord into the back of your computer. You can go ahead and lay out your mat and set up your scanner and get everything ready to go. Once you open up the app, you'll see that you have two options. You have your scanner or your visual presenter. You can easily switch between these two as you need to, but let's go ahead and start with the scanner first. In the app, you're going to see some batch settings and also export options over on the left-hand side. You have your file adjustments at the bottom once you capture your photograph, and also you have your file list as well as your scan button over on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and scan some of our first pages. Once you open up this section, you'll see on the right-hand side, you have your different color modes and your processing methods. So if you want, you can actually capture these in full color, black and white, grayscale, and a few other options as well. We're going to be using the facing pages option today as we're capturing our bullet journals. This would also be great for any type of double page spread or even inside of textbooks and open books as well. Don't forget that flat page technology is going to help you flatten everything else nice and easy. Really, you don't have to worry about anything. CZUR's got you. For the facing pages, you actually get a really nice guide and this grid on your page that show how you can lay this out. So what you want to do is go ahead and line up the center of your notebook with that dotted line as that guide. Then all you have to do is click scan or use your foot pedal. Once it's captured, you can see both the right-hand side and all of the details here and the left-hand side as well. Now you can select your image, and if you want, you can go ahead and adjust this however you want. I personally really like the auto setting. It does everything that I needed to do for me. Again, it's all about being super easy and quick and super efficient. I love this thing so much. Once you have all of your image captured, you can actually choose to do a few different things with these. You can batch adjust them if you feel like you need to. But what I've been doing, instead of renaming everything at once, I've been clicking on this folder here at the top, which will open up where all of your files are saved from CZUR. And then what I'm doing is selecting them all and putting them inside of a folder and just naming it whatever bullet journal number it is. So in this case, bullet journal number 1. I can always go back later on and edit through if I want to. Right now, I'm just focusing on capturing what I need and organizing it to come back into it later on. Let me just show you real quick a real-time capture of a few different pages inside of this larger size journal. Now that we've captured everything using the scanner, let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the visual presenter. This is super cool too. You can go ahead and click the presenter in the top center of your app. Once everything connects, you'll be able to actually change your aspect ratio. And since I'm doing this for YouTube, I can change it to the appropriate aspect ratio that I need for video. It's super easy. You can just click record and you start capturing your video and your audio as you're presenting. What's also cool about this is they have annotation tools in the top right-hand corner, so you can actually use the colors and the shapes and put them over top of your image, which will then project, or if you're recording this show, on your video as well. These files will show up in the same exact spot that your photos have, so you can easily open up those folders and rename them or organize them however you want. I'm really excited to start using this scanner more. Like I said, the idea of documenting and starting to archive a lot of my older notebooks, while it seems daunting, the CZUR Shine Ultra Pro makes it so easy. Having that foot pedal, knowing that it already has all of the adjustments I need in auto mode, and the fact that I can capture both pages at the same time using the double page spread mode, it's awesome. And I have to tell you how much I love the page flattening technology that's in this thing. Usually you kind of get like a weird warped image if you've ever scanned a notebook before, but everything built into the software just helps it look so much better and really has made this process for me super easy. I've only done a handful of pages as a part of this demo, but what I'm going to be doing after this is just going through and just documenting and capturing all of my old notebooks one at a time. I'm not ready to throw them away. I'm not ready to do anything. They will stay back on this shelf. You never know when you're going to need them, but I am super excited to potentially start organizing some of my ideas together for future projects. I'm going to drop all of the links for the Shine Ultra Pro in the descriptions for you below, as well as all of the other products that you can check out on shop.czur.com, and that's CZUR. Got to make sure you're spelling that right. I want to send a special shout out to CZUR. Thank you so much for sending this out to me and letting me demo this and try this out for myself. Never having a scanner like this before, this is awesome, and I'm so pumped for all of the things that I'm going to be able to do with it. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love for you to check out more videos that I have coming up around bullet journal and technology and overall just organizing yourself a little bit better. I'll talk to you later on. Happy planning. See ya.